Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2020 Volkswagen Tiguan. This comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Sunroof. Come around to the back here. We have our Volkswagen and Tiguan badging, power opening and closing trunk, push button to close. Take a look at our rear seats, and quick look up at the front of the vehicle. Let's go ahead and hop in the driver's side here. Driver door controls, driver seat controls, driver seat, steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 13,956, and with a push button ignition. And here we have our Volkswagen touchscreen display. You can see navigation pulling up right now, radio, backup camera. Below the display is your climate controls. Do have heated seats, both driver and passenger side, as well as a heated steering wheel. And shifter. And if you're interested in seeing photos or getting additional information about this Volkswagen Tiguan or any other vehicles on our showroom floor and lot, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.